Hello, Ash from Dash Retail here, and today I'm going to be giving a quick demo of the Dash Retail platform, including some of our new features. So you can see I've got a few devices in front of me. Starting from the left, this is going to be our merchant's Dash wallet. Then we've got our merchant's use of the Dash Retail platform here, and we also have another tab set up with Uphold, but I'll come back to that in a second. Then we have a hardware point of sale. This is a single screen device, which is a cheaper device than the two screen device we demonstrated last time. And then finally, on the right here, we have our customer's Dash wallet, which will be used to make payment. And then there's one more thing you might have noticed. There's a NFC card here that will be demonstrating the NFC features, like topping up that card and making a payment using that card. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just going to log into my Dash Retail account here. And the first thing I want to show you, there's a few new options on the side, but the first one I want to show you is Payout. Now, Payout allows us to set multiple receiving Dash addresses. So what I can do here, instead of this mobile wallet here, receiving 100% of the payment, I can set it to receive 50% of the payment, and then add another receiving address receiving 50%. And this is where Uphold comes into play. If I go into my Uphold account, I can choose any of my cards, I can choose fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies, or even precious metals, go to add funds, use fund with cryptocurrency or utility token, and select Dash. Now what this does is gives me a static Dash address. That means it doesn't change, that any funds, any Dash that's received at that address will instantly get converted into British pounds. So Uphold GBP address. Now what happens here is any Dash that this merchant now receives, half of it will get sent to this mobile phone and half of it will get sent to Uphold for immediate conversion into British pounds. Now it takes a little while for Uphold to catch up and recognise it's received a payment, but normally it happens within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so let's put that into practice. Let's just go to payments, and we're just going to create a little payment here of $10 US. And then we're going to use the customer wallet to make that payment. Payment's been marked as complete on the POS, Dash has been received on the system and on the merchant's wallet, and the payment's been marked as complete on the system as well, and we have a receipt printed for the customer. Okay. Now that's pretty interesting. Now let's show you another new feature, which is the exchange function. And what that allows is for a customer to visit a Dash merchant and purchase Dash directly from that merchant. So to get to that, we're going to use the hardware device, which has NFC functionality, but any Android phone could do this as well. And we're going to go to exchange. Now we're going to go and sell crypto to customer, and we're going to give the customer is asking to spend 10 CAD to buy crypto. So we're going to click continue, and now we've got a second factor code. So the merchant would only give this code, it's specific to this device as well, to clerks which he's authorized to buy and sell Dash. So we're just going to enter code 123123, and now we can scan a customer address. But instead of scanning a customer mobile wallet address, I'm actually just going to tap the NFC card on the back of the device. Now I need to confirm that I've received 10 CAD from the customer, and I click confirm. Now the exchange is complete. This card has been topped up with that Dash. So now I can go to point of sale, and I can make a payment for $10 US. Charge. The payment's been marked as pending on the system. I can tap the NFC card on the back of the device. It'll recognize that the store card has been used, and payment's been marked as received. Half the Dash is received in that wallet, the receipt's printed off, and the payment's been marked as complete in the system. Now we just have to wait a while for the payment to get credited to our Uphold account. This typically takes 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm just going to cut off this section and fast forward to that. Okay, it's been a few minutes now, so I'm just going to go to my Uphold account, and we'll see that there's been a couple of payments that have been received a few seconds ago here. And we can click into them and see the fiat amount that's been received by this. So obviously it's £3.78, which roughly translates into $5 at current exchange rates. So you can see that half of the money's been received there, and I could withdraw this to my English bank account. And like I said before, you could do this the same with euros, with Canadian dollar, with US dollars, with any currency that Uphold supports. So yeah, it's a great way to actually instantly convert from Dash into fiat, and then you can withdraw that at your convenience or use that and convert into something else. Thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll get right back to you.